Hey Genevieve, you did your own lipstick? You did so good. Look at you.
Sick. And her legs.
Oh, Genevieve. Look at you. And was it this one?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm gonna do my own.
Well, you did pretty good, didn't you? Yeah.
Mommy.
You did your makeup? Okay. Yeah, it's a heater and it's warm.
Mommy.
Yeah. Okay, let's go get you cleaned up though, huh? Good morning, my classics. It's Lana again, and I'm so sorry I didn't film a video for Friday. I was sick, and then I was sick all weekend. But I gotta tell ya, first thing in the morning, I'm gonna film this video. It's just gonna be get ready with me. We're gonna film, and then we're going to move on to just editing and uploading it. Because I'm determined. Honestly, I don't know where every other YouTuber gets theirs, but I got these at Michael's, and because it's a metal band, it hurts so bad in the back of the ears. I'm thinking I need to like make some sort of like fabric padding around the bottoms. Okay, so this is a get ready with me. What have I been up to? What am I planning? I'm actually, Halloween's gonna be interesting because October I've got it already planned out every single day. I've got the entire month planned out already for what makeup I'm gonna do. I got costume paints, and don't hate me, but I'm gonna start filming those and making those costume makeups soon. That way I'm not scrambling throughout all of October, but you will have a video every day of October. But I'm not going to stop doing the 3 times a week. Now I'm going to be adding another video per week practically. Which won't give me the entire month, but it'll at least give me enough of it to where at the beginning of that month, I'll be able to be shooting the end of the month's videos while the beginning is coming live. Because the great thing about YouTube is I can cue a video I can schedule it to be live. I've scheduled things days in advance. So that's been helpful. Space demons. Started a new medicine and the hormones are getting to me, the change. I thought that I just, keep going as I was. Apparently that's not the case for anything. What else has been going on? I was sick yesterday all day. I was lucky if I could stand up. Body cold galore or flu or something. I don't know. It's been snowing here in April. I'm getting 0 response on my Twitter at Alana Blackburn. No spaces, no dashes, no underscores. 0 response to actually people asking me questions. I'm waiting. Hoping nobody does. You can also go to my Facebook page, which still is, I believe, Alana the Beauty Shaman, because I haven't made a new page yet, because you can't change those. You gotta make a new one. Thing is, I don't like doing Facebook pages too much, because they're like, oh, invite your friends. And then I feel bad, because, I always get kind of snippy when my friends invite me to play a game or something, and I don't want to bother them. Does that make sense? I don't want to bother my friends list with everything. And then, I don't know. I know that people would probably like it just to be supportive, but that's not what I need. More than just support. I'm looking for people to actually be interactive. I've got a couple people here on YouTube that are extremely interactive, and I love you guys so much. I really do. 32 subscribers. I honestly didn't think I'd make it that far. But I'm really hoping that we can hit 1,000, maybe by the end of next year, if that's not a ridiculously long amount of time. Most people hit 1,000 within a year. And thing is, most people aren't me. I'd rather there be 1,000 people who are Like really, kind of like me when it comes to a lot of times where they, you know, they're browsing YouTube and they find me and they're like, oh hey, this is kind of cool. I'd like that. Wouldn't that be neat? They're like, oh, I just came upon you on accident. I don't know. Maybe Halloween will really bring me in some more people because, like I said, I'm going to be doing actual costume makeup. I walked outside and to the living room and my nail file was in my son's room. He was not. He was sleeping in a chair in the living room. And my sweater clip was strung between his two little train card things that are magnetic. So he had that. I was just so kind of, I would be irked if it wasn't so precious. Boy, oh boy, oh boy. I did get one question. Ironically enough though, it wasn't from anybody that I care about. It was a political question from a political thing, you know, one of those survey things. And I'll tell you right now, my political stance is nobody's business but mine. I feel like it's a great way to wind up isolating a whole bunch of people. I'd rather not. A couple days ago my mom asked me if I did my makeup, my eyebrows in the dark. That was lovely too. I don't know if you can tell, but I am so flaky today. Like, my skin is being so stupid. I think it's because I introduced a new medicine to my system, and that has caused my body to be like, we're gonna take all your favorite things and make them hate you. Oh, today I think I'm just gonna wear a kind of plainer eye. We've been kind of on a superhero movie kick lately. Yesterday, whilst sick AF, we watched Man of Steel and Superman v Batman. Batman versus Superman, whichever. Means no, never mind to me. And I'm just going in with my Morphe palette. I'm just going to do a little bit of, I'm going with my favorite transition shade right here. And I'll probably blend out I don't know, a pink. Yeah, I'm going to go in with this one. It's another favorite. Let's see if I can do this like those gurus do. Where they got like the fanciest hand pose. I think that's all I need. I'm going to do a kitten liner and then and there it goes again. Did you see that? I blinked. I'm not thickening that up just to make mine feel a little better about itself. I suppose this can also kind of count as 1950s makeup because this is how they did it. It was a lot of a pink eyeliner. If watching movies with Marilyn Monroe, Rita Hayworth, Betty Davis, all these people, I grew up with these movies. If watching them is any indication. So it's going to be like a 1950s get right with me. Because that's legit AF. This, by the way, the Tarte eyeliner, so smooth. So quick drying. Probably could be a little longer. Like, it's just, I only have like the sample one because it came in that kit that was not a sample price for a kit. But now, even though it's not waterproof, I'm never going to let it live that down. Just organic wear. It doesn't even say that it's waterproof, so. So you watch Wonder Woman one time while you're filming a how does this wear? I don't know if you guys, your camera's picking it up, but Genevieve is awake and she's trying to wake up her brother. I was told that when you do the baking powder under your eyes, leave it on until you're done with your eye makeup because fallout can just be brushed away then because there's literally a layer of powder underneath and you just brush it away and it doesn't leave streaks. So far I like that hint. Those cinema people, they did contour, but they did not highlight. No. I'm just gonna make up questions. Get ready for this. How many languages do I speak? Well, I can speak French. Je parle français un petit peu. C'est pas très bien. Comme ça. I can speak some German. I can speak some Japanese, but not very much there. I mean, just what I'm self-taught. Can speak sign language, which does count as its own language. They would have blushed the cheeks too. There we go. A nice rosy cinema glow. Yeah, I've actually gotten quite fond of this Maybelline lipstick. It's $8 at the Walmart, but it's really good. It does last all day. That's the important part. Let's see. I have 2 kids. Everybody knows that. My real name is Danielle. Everybody knows that. No surprise there. I go by Alana because I've used that for years on many social media streams and online gaming. And I tried to be originally a gaming YouTube channel. That was going nowhere real fast because you have to be ready to invest in those, like hardcore, and I wasn't. Like, you gotta buy games like all the time, and I wasn't prepared for that. I was not gonna be able to do it. Normally I get on a ages sort of thing, which this I guess halfway is, but it's also a chat with me. Normally I would already have my hair done because it's the end of the day. Today is not that kind of day. I just woke up. It's like 7 a.m. That's it. It's like 7 something. I don't know the exact time. Waiting for the curling iron to heat up. I found home. I'm so disorganized in my life these days. Oh, that's a look. Oh my gosh, you can see all the grays. I might have to start dyeing my hair. We're gonna do this 50s style. No, I'm not doing this in any particular order. Oh, let me know what you think of the music I've been using in the videos. I think that it's kind of a nice, softer vibe. I'm going to be adding in some more contemporary style music as well. You know, jazz, lyricalist stuff, a lot of, mostly. That turned out really pretty right there. Because I want this to be a nice blend of classic and contemp. But I really am extremely vintage in real life. Like, I don't wear jeans anymore. I never felt comfortable in them anyways though, to be fair. I'm a bigger girl. You can't see what I'm doing to my hair. If I crank you up, there we go. I recently watched a video on Facebook, which by the way, I don't post videos to Facebook because it is very difficult to, it takes so much longer, if you believe. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. But I watched a video recently on Facebook where this person talked about being a yelling kind of mom, and I'm like, I get it though. Can't always keep it cool. I'm not gonna do this. No, I'm not normally very good at this. I will admit I'm the kind of mom where it's like, please stop, please stop, please stop, please stop. But I don't know who isn't. Being a mom is already a hard enough job. Then add on the fact that you're literally running a circus when you had never even been to a circus to begin with. Actually starting to look like my mom back in her senior picture in 1979. In case you're wondering what my mom looked like, a blonde version of this. No, not really. When I was 15 years old, I started working at a McDonald's. I had a work permit through my school, and I started working. I loved it. I was stupid. I didn't know what it was. I'll never work in fast food again. But I worked at a McDonald's and I would do a 70s flip through my hair. I kept getting bonuses and like raises because people would say that my bubbly personality would make their day. I'm trying to curl it back, but it's really hard when it's really short. Story about my hair. I've actually been asked to this one. This is an authentic question. Okay, the question was, why did I cut my hair? Well, that's simple. I'm actually not seeing that doctor anymore. But I had a doctor tell me because for a while there I was losing my hair. It was falling out, like in sizable enough clumps to have me worried. Like not, it was like all over. It was definite thinning. And I did my best to hide it and it wasn't working. And then I went to the doctor and he's like, oh, you have some symptoms of alopecia, which is hair loss where your immune system, it's an autoimmune disorder. It didn't mean I was sick. It just meant that my hair was being attacked by my immune system. That's what they were saying. And they said basically it's a downhill trend. Kiss your hair goodbye. I could go through expensive treatments or that my insurance probably won't cover, or I could get my hair cut to slow the process of it falling out, but it'll still fall out, so I might as well start investing in wigs, which I've done, and it has done nothing but cause me more stress. So then something happened where my life became a lot less stressful. Sorry about the kids in the background. I've been told that they're a huge distraction in my videos, but guess what? I'm a mom. Get over it. So something happened where I was a lot less stressed. I'm not gonna go into that because it's on a personal level, and my hair started coming back, like in spades. I mean, you can see where it's coming back in. You could see the receding hairline, and now it's all coming right back. And I go back to the doctor. He's like, "Oh, I guess it was just stress." So you mean that I not only cried over the idea of losing my hair forever, but I shortened my hair dramatically for stress. Bye. Never looked back. Very upset about it. So yeah, I had thought that I had alopecia. I went through all the drama of the emotion of it. Turned out I didn't. I'm still a little steamed by it. These are like my little addiction, the little small wintergreen ones. Can't explain why, I just love them. So that's been this get ready with me. I've answered a few questions that have actually been asked and also have been not asked, but I thought should have been asked maybe a little bit. But the hair one had been quite a bit. I hope you liked this video. This is how, if you recognize it, I tried to go a bit Rita Hayworth here because brown hair. If you liked this video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up and show me that you love me. If you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button down below and make that bell ring loud and proud so you know when I post, because I'm posting every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Bye, see you, love you, always singing of you. Have a really great day. Don't let anyone get you down. Don't let anyone eat the sparkle. And remember, do it with passion or not at all.
I'm going home. I'll never stop. Hey, Ma.